Okay, we did everything here, estimating square roots, very close to this one, so our answer is probably 6.1, right? Definitely any, let's try 6.1 and see what happens. 1, 6, 0, 6, 36, so this is 37, yep, it's 6.1, 0.21, so this is approximately 6.1. So here the answer is -2 times whatever this is. Okay, the square root of 89. Okay, the square root of 89 is approximately between 81 and 100, obviously close to here. So it's 9.1, 9.2, 9.3. It's not in the middle. Well, 90 and 100, almost in the middle. So I guess 9.3 or 9.4 or 9.5. I'll do 9.4, see what happens. Because well, it's 8 away from there and 10 away from here. So maybe it's 9.3. Let's try 9.3. If it's 9.3, you times it. If that's the answer, you times it with -2. 9, 27, 27, carry 2, 83. I get, oh, that's too little. Right? Because it's 89. Maybe I did something wrong. 9, 27, 28, 29. That's 29. 9, it's still too little. Because it's 96, 86 point something. So it's probably 8.4 then. I mean 9.4. "16 carry the 1, so 9.3 is not it. 36, 37, 0, 36 carry 3, 81, 84. That's closer. Could be 9.5. It's very close. Most likely it's 9.4, but it's still under 89, so you need to try 9.5. Wow, I should have just stick to my instinct. 9.4. Be less work. 85. Oh, this goes up to 90 point something. So definitely 9.4. So your answer, oops, not erase, multiply, oh, not that, highlight, multiply them together, it's -8 and 18.8. Okay, now you solve this like you do anything, right? I think you guys done this. 49 equals to x squared, square root of that. Now the answer here, and I didn't have time to do this because it's just a number, it's plus -7, okay? That's the only difference than the one I taught you earlier, because it's just a number, it doesn't represent anything. So your answer has to be x equals plus or -9. Okay, cube root. Okay, cube root has to be positive, because three numbers, if you have -2 times -2 times -2, that's a -8, not a +8. So it only can be a positive. So you do cube root x equals to 2. Cube root, I don't know if I taught this, but the only thing that n is 6 times 6 times 6, or 4 times 4 times 4, okay? One of them will get you there. 6 times 6 is 36. It can't be 4 times 4 because that's 16 times 4 is only 64. So most likely it's 6 times 6. So we're going to multiply just in case. 36, carry the 3, yep, it's x equals to 6. Okay. And this is Pythagorean theorem. Height 8 north, so 8 north that way and turn east. North, south. Oh, it's the other way. Right, I hope I'm doing north. East, west. Well, anyways, I hope I got it right. 15 kilometers. After the breakfast, they return based by hiking on a straight line. Okay, straight line, no turns. So right there, so we need to find that. A squared plus b squared equals 2c squared, okay? And this thing is the same. We've done this before, so 1, 5, -6, -2, draw the line, then make a right angle, and no calculators. So count 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. So a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. 7 equals to c squared. 49. 49 is 98, close to 100. So do the work, rounding it to the nearest tenth, okay? And then this is Pythagorean theorem. Answer that. Pythagorean theorem. If it's not a right triangle, because this is not a right, 4 squared plus 6 squared is not going to equal to 7 squared. Is not equal to 49. Do that, not a right triangle. If the Pythagorean theorem works for all 3 numbers, then it is. And the other ones are, do these. Perpendicular. Remember a perpendicular, if the slope is 3, a perpendicular line slope is opposite and reciprocal. So then you use point slope. X sub 1, y. Oh, this is the y-intercept. So you just go y equals mx plus b. You don't need to use point slope. Y equals -1 over 3x plus 6. That's the equation of that line. Jack age is, so J equals 3 less than twice Dean. So 2D minus 3 is Jack's age. Okay, Dean's age. Dean is 5 years. Jack is 5 years older than Dean. So whatever Jack's age is minus 5. It's because he's 5 years younger. Or you can put J is equal to D plus 5. And you can use substitution to find Dean's age, and then find Jack's age. And then try to figure this out. Factor those out. You should be able to do that. Find the break-even point. I think that's substitution. So you would write an equation for that. Y equals, I'm running out of time, plus 10x. And the other one is they're selling it for $15 each. Use substitution. And then find the 2 points. Same thing for this problem here. And then we did this in class. So writing equation, this is y less than -4. And y equals to, less than or equal to down 4 over 2, right? So down 2 over 1 minus 2. That's the equation of those lines. And then graph these. Should know how to do those. These are parallel lines, right? 1 at 2, go up 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. And the other one's at negative 3, up 3 over 1. And notice the lines parallel, no solution. And then you graph these. You guys know how to do this. Add 12 for y equals to negative 3x plus 12. Divide by 4. Y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 3. And that's it. And graph it. And I'll check your homework.